Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you enjoy the content today, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe or bell notification. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you're looking for a free trading app, the best free platforms I could find are in the links below in the description. It will give you a free share when you sign up and deposit a certain amount. Now, I am using each one of these, and trust me, I would not put anything on my channel that I do not use. I've had the opportunity and I do not go with a quick buck. I've actually lost subscribers where I've had to report them for spamming the other viewers, but that's the way it is. Tonight we're talking about tanker stocks again, purely because I've been asked a lot of questions and I've been asked to do something about it. I understand you're probably getting sick of my ugly mug by now, but with all the news that's come out with Disney, I think it was what all these videos were warranted. Now, a couple of you have said how you're just holding it, you don't have a plan. Please, that's the worst thing you could do. You have to have a plan. Even if it's view the charts and pray to the gods, you have to have a plan. Please don't let that be your plan. Nah, even if you have a sell limit and buy limit, if you have a price target to sell at, even if your plan is to collect the dividends and sell straight after. I've used it. I've done yo-yo selling before, which is where I've set a sell target on my brokerage account. It's hit that and sold, and then I hit a buy limit, put a buy limit on, so I made a profit and picked up more shares. Now, and then I'd done the same again, and I ended up doing that until I ended up trebling my investment and making a profit at the end of the day. And I wasn't sitting in front of the computer. I just had buy limit and sell limit, and each time it activated, it notified me by my mobile, and then I went into my account and did the opposite again. So please have a plan. Whatever it is, have a plan on what you want your target price to be to sell at. Also, just because the price has gone down doesn't mean you pile more and more money in. You can if you want to. If you started with a small position and you think you want to increase your position, but it's called averaging down, and that means that when you sell you get a better deal. But if it's a stock you're not familiar with, it's not always a good idea. People usually do it with blue chip stocks, well-known stocks they think are going to recover, stocks they believe in. But if it's a stock that you don't know a lot about, it's not always a good idea. Now, I said we're going to speak about them, and I've been asked if I think it's going to go down, tanker stocks are going to go down any further, if they're going to go up. If you see this, it's 20 million barrels of oil off the coast of California alone. There's a tanker that normally carries fuel currently holding crude for Royal Dutch Shell for at least a month in Washington. You know, and sorry about this. We can see DHT has edged up a tiny bit since open. Front line It's just a tiny movement, but not much. An 80 has gone down, which confirms what I said before. An AT is not as stable a company as DHT or Frontline. You know, and when it's fueled by hype and people are buying based on hype, then it's going to sell on hype as well. So please have a plan with what you're going to do. And just because a lot of the states have opened up, don't forget there's also 28 tankers coming from Saudi Arabia filled with oil that they have to take delivery of, that will tank the oil price as well. Just because they're opening up some states doesn't mean it's going to be business as normal. You know, it's not an end to the complete end to the lockdown. You know, there are countries that have still got lockdown. You know, there are areas that still ain't going out as normal. If you want to sell, you can sell. That is your decision. I'm not a financial advisor. Anyway, remember, stay safe, stay investing, stay savvy, look after yourself.